The coronavirus has dominated everything for the last few months, but what it's perhaps thrown into relief is the multiple ways in which the industry has been changing the way it goes about the business of drug discovery in the years leading up to this extraordinary global crisis that we're all in at the moment. The crisis has offered a really fascinating lens through which to look at themes and changes which were already happening long before we all heard about this wretched virus that's upended all our lives in the last 4 or 5 months. We've got a number of real highlights this year. We're lucky, as we do every year, to have with us some of the real cream of the pharma industry, some of the leading lights. We'll have with us representatives of both 23andMe, the genomics company, and GSK, because they formed a really interesting partnership. Paul Hudson, the chief executive of Sanofi, he'll be able to tell us about the latest in the vaccine that he's been developing. Richard Hatchett, who is the chief executive of the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. And that's an organisation which has really come into its own during the pandemic. We'll have Jose Baselga, who is the head of oncology for AstraZeneca, looking at a couple of areas that are increasingly coming to the fore as fields of innovation for pharma and biotech companies. One of those areas is women's health, which has been a very underserved and under-resourced area for decades. We're inviting you to join us virtually. We do want to assure you that in every other way, the event will be the one that you've come to know and we all hope appreciate over the many years that we've been running it. It's an event that I personally look forward to hugely every year because I always come away with fresh insights into this industry. We look forward to having you all join us on November the 9th for a couple of days of stimulating debate and discussion with some of the sharpest minds in the pharma and biotech industries.